So guys, first of all we'll do the unboxing of the Signature Series N210, and as you can see it, so let's do the unboxing. So first of all we'll cut the seal of it here, and now we'll unbox it. And as for the packaging, you can see this is what we get in the box. So here you can see it, and the price of it will be included in the description, so do check it. Let's unpeel it. So let's put it aside, and here you can see it, that what do we get inside it. So basically it is a warranty card of this headset or neckband. So let me focus it. Yeah, and this is the user guide. And in the box we do get a charging cable here, and we do get some ear tips with it as well. They are here to provide you a good seal. So we'll put them inside, and let's get our Audionic neckband out. So these are they, and as you can see that the build quality is also very good, and they have a new tangle free design. So what that means is whatever you do to them, they will retrieve to their original shape. Like if I'll do this, and here you can see them, they are back to their position. So this was all about the box. So this is how you're gonna wear them, and this will be how they look. So you can see that they have this kind of design, and now we'll wear them, and you can see them. How do they look? Okay, so you can see that same thing as well, that they have this tangle free design, which makes it so comfortable to wear, and they are as it is. So let's continue to our review. So this is the box of Signature Series N210 neckband from Audionic, and as you can see that it is showing some key features of this neckband. First one is the 300 hours of standby, which is approximately 12 more than 12 hours, slightly more than 12 hours. Then it has a tangle free design in it, which is very helpful while putting it in your pocket or somewhere else. Then you can see that it has a Qualcomm USA chipset installed in it, and then you can also have the feature of waterproofing. It's not absolutely waterproof, but it is sweat proof, and can be very beneficial for your workouts. And even it has a playtime of up to 12 hours. This can really produce a good sound due to that Qualcomm chip present in it, and the sound quality and the bass is really very good in these neckbands. And there are some extra key benefits present in the neckbands, which are very beneficial for a consumer. Like it has a Bluetooth 5.0 version, and as I've told you that it has a 12-hour standby time and almost 11 hours of talk or music play time, and they're really very comfortable while wearing, because they provide you three types of ear tips for a comfortable wear. Then they also produce a noise cancelling sound while you play a music. It can provide you a good amount of deep bass which can nourish your ears, or you can have a good sound quality. It's even good with the low frequencies. And for the comfort wise, they are very, and for the comfort wise they are very lightweight. So obviously I will definitely recommend it because of the good sound quality present in it. So these are the tactile volume buttons on the neckband, and as you can see how they work, and some Audionic printing. Then you can see that how good the magnet of these ear tips are. They are pretty strong, like you can see it here. They clap so quickly and attach to themselves very quickly. And this is the charging port of this neckband. And this is the power button to turn it on or off. So this is all about the neckband, and if you liked the video, kindly please like the video and do consider sharing it, and please subscribe to the channel, and thank you.